Uses of AI, how AI helps us every day. Hey everyone, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're looking at how AI is already part of our everyday lives, even if we don't always notice it. Let's break it down with some real-life examples. Spam filtering. Ever wonder how your email knows what's junk and what's important? That's AI at work. It learns from past messages and blocks spam before it reaches your inbox. No more annoying fake ads. Image recognition. AI can also see and understand pictures. Face unlock on your phone? That's image recognition. Or when you tag friends in photos, AI helps suggest their names. Pretty smart, right? Medical diagnostics. Doctors are using AI to spot diseases faster and more accurately. AI can look at X-rays or scans and help find signs of cancer or other problems. Sometimes even better than humans. It's like giving doctors a superpower. Logistics. Ever wonder how your online order shows up so fast? AI helps delivery companies plan the best routes, avoid traffic, and save fuel. It's making shipping faster, cheaper, and smarter. So, to sum it up, AI is quietly working behind the scenes in many parts of our lives. From keeping your inbox clean and helping your phone recognize faces, to supporting doctors with better diagnoses and making sure your packages arrive quickly. It's all about making everyday tasks easier, faster, and smarter. As AI continues to evolve, we'll see even more exciting ways it can help us in the future. Stay curious and keep exploring how AI can make a difference in your world. So, why does it matter? AI isn't just science fiction. It's already helping us live better, healthier, and easier lives. And this is just the beginning. Want to learn more? At CT Academy, we make AI simple for everyone. Visit ctglobal.my. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.